Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your account and ensuring the modem is reachable. Check power, Ethernet, and coax cables, reseat each connector to eliminate loose contacts. Note the modem's LED patterns and take a quick photo for reference. Once done, log into the router's admin page or have the admin password ready. Make sure you have a brief maintenance window and any device IPs noted so you can move quickly into the next steps without interruptions. You'll next execute the active recovery steps. Power cycle the modem, wait 30 seconds, then power the router. This clears transient faults. If the router still lacks an IP, release and renew DHCP on your device or assign a temporary static IP to test connectivity. Then verify WAN or PPPoE credentials in the router settings and re-enter them precisely if you see authentication failures. While doing this, watch the modems. You'll finish by validating the fix. Test a wired client first, run a quick speed check, and confirm DNS resolution. If intermittent issues remain, restore a known good config or perform a factory reset only after exporting current settings. Make sure to document modem MAC, account number, LED behaviors, and timestamps before calling support. If nothing works, contact Converge support and provide those details. This lets technicians expedite line tests and provisioning because they can correlate your observations with backend status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.